Did you know that Ferdinand Magellan never actually sailed around the world? Here's the shocking truth they don't teach you in school. Magellan died a brutal death in the Philippines, hacked to pieces by Chief Lapu-Lapu's warriors using bamboo spears and poison arrows. But here's what makes it even worse. He wasn't killed in some heroic naval battle. He died trying to force local chiefs to convert to Christianity. The most disturbing part, his own crew watched him get slaughtered and just sailed away. They abandoned their captain to save themselves. Of the 270 men who started this legendary voyage, only 18 made it back to Spain alive. That's a 93% death rate. But the most mind-blowing fact of all, Chief Lapu-Lapu kept Magellan's body as a war trophy. The Spanish never got it back. They had to negotiate just to rescue the surviving crew members. So the next time someone talks about Magellan's amazing circumnavigation, remember, he never finished it. He died screaming on a Philippine beach, abandoned by his own men.